everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, as you can see, it's Friday the 13th of January 2023. We're here to celebrate all those children in nursery, reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB who've earned themselves a golden ticket this week. Well done to all of these children, and our theme of kindness throughout this week. You will see all the way through these comments of these children who've been really kind, working hard and just trying their best. So let's start in nursery this morning. And in nursery we have this child has got much chat here and he plays with everyone. He's great at sharing and he is a lovely person to have in the nursery. There it is, sharing, just being kind. It's brilliant, well done. And this child arrives to nursery happy and smiling, and he has really grown in confidence. He will ask for help if he needs it, and it's a pleasure to have a nursery as well. Well done, it is an absolute pleasure to have these two. Golden tickets go to Elliot, Luca. Look at those smiles, boys. Well done, it just makes me smile. Well done, you've won the golden ticket. You superstars, well done Elliot, well done Luca. Enjoy taking these home today, you superstars, well done. On to reception, and Miss McTavish says this week's winner is always a kind friend and plays beautifully inside and outside the classroom. She works hard in her learning and is making great progress. Well done to none other than Layla. Here she is. Go on Layla, what a smile again. Well done Layla. I know your sister's going to be really proud of you. So well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket. Thank you for being so kind and working so hard as well, you superstar. Well done. On to Miss Ruffles says this child has settled into reception well and learnt the classroom rules. He is polite and very eager to help both adults and classmates. He's very independent and great at setting up games and inviting others to join. So really well done, being a good friend there. Well done to this week's golden ticket winner. None other than, here he comes, Charlie. Look at that, Charlie, what a smile. Always a lovely smile. Well done, Charlie. Your brother is going to be really proud of you. So well done. Thank you for being so kind and sharing and setting up some lovely games. Enjoy taking us home, you superstar. Well done. Proud of you. On to year 1. Mr. Penny says, our golden ticket winner is a fantastic member of our class who's reliable and conscientious. She puts her full attention in every piece of work and always tries to produce her absolute best. It is great to see what she is producing in lessons, and we always enjoy seeing her fabulous artwork. We really do. She sits on the carpet brilliantly and listens intently in all lessons. She's a brilliant example to all that thoroughly deserves this week's prize. She is. Golden ticket goes to, and she comes. Come on then, Beatrice. There she is. Look at that smile. Beatrice, well done, hon. You are amazing. Thank you so much. Always got a lovely smile on your face. Enjoy taking this home with you today. I'm so proud of you. Really well done. And just keep being amazing. Thank you. On to Mr. Ackerman. Mr. Ackerman says, this child has been trying really hard in class and they've been putting lots of effort into their learning. They've been trying their best during whole sentence work, and this has really shown in their writing and their enthusiasm to give things their best. It's all we keep us and give it your best. This child has been reading regularly at home and they have come back to school after Christmas with a really good attitude towards their learning. They really have. Golden ticket goes to, and you come Theo, here he is, look at that, well done. And you'll see there, he's hiding down there, but he's got Mr. Allen's golden pencil for holding a sentence. So really well done Theo, but not that, you got a golden ticket as well. Well done, so proud. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer. Really well done, enjoy taking this home today, superstar, well done. On to Miss Begum in year 2. This person is always hardworking and focused with their learning. They're good at listening and helpful. They really are. They're kind, there it is, respectful, and encourage others to make the right choice. Again, everything we are asking of this week. Well done. Golden ticket goes to, come on in. There she is, Esme. Well done, Esme. Look at the big smile. Look at that maths, Esme. Amazing maths. Well done, hon. Your sister's going to be proud of you. So really well done. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home, you superstar. I'm so proud of you. Just keep up being amazing, kind and helpful. Thank you. On to Miss Hall. Miss Hall said, this child is a fastidious student who always takes time and care with his work. He really does. He has an amazing vault of information inside his head, which he uses to enhance his work. Keep up the fantastic work. I know he will. Golden ticket goes to Toby. Here he is. Look at that. Look at him working hard. Look, it's just a blur here. He's working so hard, but it is amazing. So really well done, Toby. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the amazing work. Keep being amazing. Enjoy taking your golden ticket home, you superstar. I know you get a massive cheer now, so well done. Finally this morning in the SRB, Mr. Hardman said, this week's winner always tries their best with every piece of work. They're always sharing good ideas with the class and putting them in their writing. They are also a great friend to others, which is just that, and he's the kindest boy I know. Golden ticket goes to Here he is, Harry! Look at that. Well done, Harry. Big smile again. Thank you for being so amazing. Look at that. Focused, good ideas, and friendly. Really well done. I know everyone in the SRB is going to give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking this home with you today, you superstar. Well done. Right, there we go. This weekend, look. There it is. Carrying on that theme of this weekend. So being kind to everyone. It's really simple. You'll see. Tell someone how lovely they are as well. And because it costs nothing. Kindness costs nothing. We've been doing that all week, trying to be kind, telling people really something nice and how lovely they are as well, and sharing that and just smiling at them. Let's have a wonderful weekend, everyone. Being kind, it doesn't cost anything, and helping out. Until next week, everyone. Bye-bye now.